Okay, so the last two questions here on these rotations, I have the points given. So I put 2, 2 on that coordinate, 4, -1, and 2, -1. So when you talk about 270 clockwise, it means you're moving 3 quadrants, okay? And then because this is a 270, it means the x and the y value do a switch, okay? So now I'm going to draw some green. Okay, so this is in the bottom quadrant, so it's got to go 1, 2, it's going to end up here, okay? But then the x and y switches, so it's going to be 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Now, the next point, so going 3 quadrants, it's going to end up in this one as well. And I'm going to make a switch, so it's going to be 1, 4. Okay, and then this quadrant going 3 would go 1, 2, 3. So that point would end up in this quadrant now. So now in this quadrant, when I move the points around, it's going to be -2, 2. So that's what it looks like to go. Okay, and it's also the same as really thinking about turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Okay, so this becomes 1, 4, 1, 2, and -2, 2. So you could see that I did a switch, and I thought about rotating it. If a point is in this quadrant, it becomes 3 quadrants away. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's get the points. 2, 2, and it's in this quadrant. So now I need to go 1, 2 quadrants. So I do not switch the coordinates. So it will now be a -2 and then -2 there. Okay, let's do this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. So 2 quadrants, 180 is in this quadrant. So now I don't switch, so it's going to be a -4 and a +1. And then this point is 2, -1. So 2 quadrants is a rotation of 180. So I don't switch, so I need a -2, +1. And that's the rotation of 180.